Here we are again. Same lady, new glasses. We're looking at the CNC Q2 today, another machine you can get on Amazon, this time a little bit smaller, which is what I am looking for. Let's check it out. All right, CNC Q2. A little ding here, a little ding here. Not sure how that happened, but here it is. Manuel. Oh. What's this random fuzz? It's not allowed. Smells a bit like the factory. Oh. Look at this little sucker. Huh. All right, well, length 95 millimeters, diameter 30 millimeters. Weight 108 grams. 3.5 millimeter stroke length, only one non-changeable stroke length, which again is the middle range stroke length. Needle depth adjustment 0 to 4 millimeters, and 2 watts for the motor. What about the RPMs and shit, dude?
They didn't list any of that.
What?
They listed as hertz, actually.
Okay, well, it's, the description was piercing frequency 40 to 160 hertz. This is an Amazon purchase. I'm going to just clean this sucker up. We're gonna be practicing on some skin today, some fake skin, silicone, and gonna attempt some realism. There's my fancy Nancy stencil. It is a doozy, and I've never done this. Wish me luck. All right, now that we're all cleaned up, we're going to try it out on some fake skin. This is a realism portrait. Great, let's go. Snapping, let's do it, yeah. Oh yeah, it just feels a lot more comfortable in my hand, the size of it, than anything I've tried out so far. Fallhaber motor. Here we are with the CNC Q2, and we are changing our needle depth. Okay, we got a safe needle depth where the machine's off, the needle goes into the cartridge and disappears. We're about 1 to 2 millimeters there. Skin's 2 to 3 millimeters. Got on a piece of glass, so I will know if I go too deep. Ooh, I'm already liking that this thing feels like the lightest one I've held so far. Here are miner, they're 8.4 volts. I would say it definitely feels more like drawing, like with a normal pen. It feels nice for shading, you know. And stippling is definitely gonna be, I think, easier with a pen. You can get more like with a pen. All right, the CNC Q2 is a very decent machine. It runs on 2 watts, a little bit lower than some of the other machines I've tried. I can definitely feel the difference in the motor. I do feel like it has a bit more vibration, and it's a little louder, but it's still that same German Fallhaber motor. It's just a little lower quality.
But this thing's $170 on Amazon, and it's a rotary pen. So that's pretty great. If you know others are out of your price range, this works wonderfully. It does everything that I think you'll need it to do. I just don't know how long it'll last. So yeah, that's the CNC Q2. Q2. CNC Q2.
Thank you. Bye.